Green's theorem. Statement of Green's theorem. Let R be a closed region bounded by a curve C, and let M and N be continuous and differentiable scalar point functions of x and y in the region R, then integral over C m dx plus n dy equal to double integral over R dou by dou x of n minus dou by dou y of m with respect to x and y. This is the statement of Green's theorem. Here R is the closed region which is bounded by a curve C, and m and n are functions of x and y. These two functions are continuous and differentiable functions. Defined in the region R and also in the xy plane, because it is a function of x and y means so these functions are defined in the plane x and xy plane. Therefore, then integral over C m dx plus n dy is equal to double integral over R dou by dou x of n minus dou by dou y of m with respect to x and y. That means Green's theorem converts the line integral into double integral in the region R. We have statement of Green's theorem, Stokes theorem and Gauss divergence theorem. We don't have proofs in our syllabus. You just remember the statement. The statement is also important for 2 marks. Therefore, now we can solve the problems under Green's theorem. Problem number 1. Verify Green's theorem. In the plane for integral over C xy plus y square into dx plus x square into dy, where C is the closed curve of the region bounded by y is equal to x and y is equal to x square. Y is equal to x is a straight line passing through the origin. Y equal to x square is a parabola symmetrical about the y axis. Now solution. Here given curves are y equal to x and y is equal to x square. Now say this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. To find the point of intersection, to find the points of intersection of the curves where these two curves intersect. So we have to find the points of intersection first. Now from 1 and 2, we have here y equal to x square, y equal to x. So substituting 1 and 2, therefore x square is equal to x. We are substituting x in equation 2, 1 in equation 2. Therefore this can be written as x square minus x is equal to 0. That implies x is a common factor, x square. So we have taken x as a common factor. Therefore x minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore this can be written as x is equal to 0 or x minus 1 equal to 0. That means x is equal to 1. Therefore when x is equal to 0, y is equal to x, we are substituting value of x equal to 0 in the curve y equal to x. Therefore that implies y is equal to 0. Therefore this implies x comma y equal to 0 comma 0. X coordinate is 0, y coordinate is also 0. Therefore when another point x equal to 1, therefore y equal to x, that implies y is equal to 1. Therefore points of intersection, another point of intersection, x value 1 corresponding to x, y is also equal to 1. Therefore points of intersection are 0 comma 0 and 1 comma 1. Now draw the curve and plot the points of intersection. X-axis, y-axis. Now y is equal to x square is the parabola passing through the origin and symmetrical about the y-axis. Therefore y is equal to x square passing through the origin and symmetrical about the y-axis. Now another y equal to x is the straight line passing through the origin, this is the origin O and say this is A Now this is the points of intersection. One point of intersection is 0, 0. Another point of intersection is 1, 1. That is A. Therefore, this is the region of integration. This is the region which is bounded by the curve. That is curve is C, which consists of two parts. One is y equal to x square and another one is y equal to x. Therefore, this is y equal to x square and this is y is equal to x. Therefore, now verify Green's theorem. Verification of Green's theorem. First, what is the statement of Green's theorem? Integral over c m dx plus n dy is equal to double integral over r dou by dou x of n minus dou by dou y of m into dx dy. We have to verify left hand side and both left hand side and right hand side both must be equal. Then we can say that Green's theorem is verified. If the left hand side and right hand side both are same in value, then we can say that Green's theorem is verified. So we have to verify line integration. What is the value of line integration and what is the value of the double integration? First we have to find the value of line integration and then we have to find the value of double integration. Now integral over c. Now verification of Green's theorem. Now integral over c m dx plus n dy. That is, in our problem, given that this is equal to integral over c xy plus y square into dx plus x square into dy. Y plus y square dx plus x square dy, where m is equal to xy plus y square and n is equal to x square. Now this is equal to, here our curve consists of two parts. We consider the direction of the integration is anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. Therefore, that is integration along OA of xy plus y square dx plus x square dy plus integration along AO xy plus y square into dx plus x square dy. Say, now to find the integration of m dx plus n dy along OA. To find the integration along OA, xy plus y square dx plus x square dy, or simply you can write m dx plus n dy. Now here equation of OA is, here equation of OA is y is equal to x square. Now differentiating on both sides, then differentiating on both sides, dy is equal to 2x into dx, and x varies from, along this curve, x varies from 0 to 1. 0 is the lower limit, 1 is the upper limit. Now x varies from 0 to 1. Therefore, substituting y equal to x square and dy is equal to 2x dx in the integration. Therefore, now integration along OA xy plus y square into dx plus x square into dy is equal to, now integration xy, we are changing the entire integration in terms of x into y is equal to x square plus y square, that is x square whole square, x power 4 into dx plus x square into dy, that is 2x into dx along OA. X varies from 0 to 1. Say this is equation number 2. This is equation number 3. Since we already given equation 1 for y equal to x and equation 2 for y equal to x square, so therefore the number is 3. This is equal to, simplify, integral 0 to 1 x into x cube plus x to the power of 4 plus 2x cube x into x square into dx. Therefore this is equal to integral 0 to 1 3x cube plus x power 4 into dx. Therefore this is equal to, now 3 into integration of x cube x power 4 by 4 plus integration of x power 4 x power 5 by 5. Now the limits are, lower limit is 0, upper limit is 1. Therefore this is equal to 3 by 4 into upper limit 1 minus 0 1 plus, this is 1 by 5 into upper limit 1, lower limit 0. Therefore this is equal to LCM 20. Therefore this becomes 15 plus 4, that is equal to 19 by 20. Therefore integration along OA xy plus y square into dx plus x square dy equal to 19 by 20. Say this is equation number 4. Now to find another integral of xy plus y square into dx plus x square dy along AO. Therefore, along AO, now equation of AO is a straight line, y is equal to x. So the direction is in this direction. So y equal to x. Differentiating on both sides, we get dy is equal to dx. Now we are changing y in terms of x. Therefore, x varies from 1 to 0. Here, this is the direction of the line. Therefore, x 1, here 0. Therefore, x varies from 1 to 0. Therefore, integration along AO xy plus y square dx plus x square dy is equal to integral x into y is equal to x square plus y square, that is x square into dx plus x square into dy, that is equal to dx. Therefore, x varies from 1 to 0. Here x square plus x square plus x square, 3x square dx is a common. This is equal to 3x square into dx. Therefore, that is equal to 3 constant integration of x square x power n integration x cube by 3 limits 1 to 0. Since integration of x power n is equal to x power n plus 1, since integration of x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So this is the formula we are applying in the previous case, and here also we are using the same formula. Therefore, this is 3 gets cancelled. Upper limit minus lower limit, that is equal to 0 minus 1 whole cube, that is minus 1. Therefore, this is integration along AO xy plus y square into dx plus x square into dy. Say this is equation number 5. Now substituting 4 and 5 in equation number 3. Substituting 4 and 5 in equation 3, we get first equation 3 integral over c m dx plus n dy is equal to integration along OA plus integration along AO of m dx plus n dy. We are substituting here from equation number 4, from equation number 5 here. From equation number 4, 19 by 20. Number 5 minus 1. Therefore, integral over c m dx plus n dy is equal to 19 by 20 minus 1. Take LCM. 19 minus 20, that is minus 1 by 20. Therefore, this is left hand side of Green's theorem. Now we have to find the value in the right hand side. Say this is equation number 6. Now to find double integral over R dou by dou x of n minus dou by dou y of m dx dy along over the region, or now here what is the value of m? So here m is equal to, here m is equal to x y plus y square. N is equal to x square, x y plus y square, and n is equal to x square. Therefore, dou by dou x of n is equal to partial derivative of n with respect to x, keeping other variables are constants. Here only x square, therefore derivative is 2x, and dou by dou y of m, partial derivative of m with respect to y, keeping x as constant. So x is constant, derivative of y is 1, plus y square derivative is 2y. Therefore, now dou by dou x of n minus dou by dou y of m is equal to x plus 2x minus x minus 2y. Therefore, this is equal to x 2x minus x minus 2y. This is the value of dou by dou x of n minus dou by dou y of m. In the double integration, what are the limits for x and y? We already explained in the multiple integrals. In the double integration, the process of evaluating the double integration. So this is the region in the xy plane. So to cover this region, we are considering vertical strip. You may consider either vertical strip or horizontal strip to cover this region. Therefore, for this vertical strip, the lower strip lies on the curve y equal to x square, and upper part of the strip lies on the line y is equal to x. Therefore, y varies from x square to x. Y varies from x square to x. Since the lower curve is y equal to x square, upper curve is y equal to x. Lower strip lies on the lower curve, upper strip lies on the y equal to x. To cover this region, we have to slide this elementary strip from origin to this A. So to cover this region and to slide this region, to slide this strip, so x have to move from 0 to 1. If x moves from 0 to 1, then this vertical strip slides from this part to this part to cover the entire region bounded by the curve C, that is y equal to x square and y equal to x. Therefore, this is the region of integration, and the limits of integration are y equal to x square to y equal to x, and x varies from 0 to 1. Here, consider the vertical strip say P vertical strip PQ to cover the region R bounded by the curves y equal to x square and y equal to x P Q. Therefore, y varies from y is equal to x square to y equal to x and x varies from x equal to 0 to x equal to 1 as shown in the diagram, as shown in the above figure. Therefore, now double integral over R dou by dou x of n minus dou by dou y of m dx dy equal to double integral now dou by dou x of n minus dou by dou y of n equal to x minus 2y. dy dx. Since y limits are x square to x and x limits are 0 to 1. Now first integrate with respect to y and that with respect to x. Since the limits of y are in terms of x and x are in terms of constants, therefore this can be written as integral x equal to 0 to 1. Now integrating with respect to y keeping x as constant, therefore that is x as constant, therefore 1 with respect to y, that means y minus 2 into integration of y square by 2 limits, lower limit is x square for y, upper limit is x, and then integrate with respect to x the resultant function. Therefore here 2 gets cancelled. Now substitute the upper limit minus lower limit. This is equal to integral x equal to 0 to 1 x into upper limit x minus lower limit x square minus y square upper limit x, that is x square, minus lower limit is x square whole square x power 4 into dx. Therefore x equal to 0 to 1 x square minus x cube minus x square minus into minus plus x power 4 into dx. Now here x square gets cancelled. Therefore the remaining terms are x power 4 minus x cube. Therefore x is equal to 0 to 1 x power 4 minus x cube into dx. Now integrating with respect to x. Therefore this is equal to x power 4 integration. Integration of x power 4 is x power 5 by 5 minus integration of x cube, that is x power 4 by 4 limits 0 to 1. Here only x variable, so we are not writing x equal to 0 to 1. It is clearly understood. Therefore, upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit is 1, lower limit is 0. 1 minus 0. Minus 1 minus 0 by 4. 1 by 4. Therefore, LCM is 20. 4 minus 5. That is minus 1. Therefore, double integral over R dou by dou x of n minus dou by of m into dx dy is equal to minus 1 by 20. This is equation number, say, 7. Therefore, from equation number 6 and 7, therefore, from equation 6 and 7, equations 6 and 7, we have minus 1 by 20, minus 1 by 20 over c m dx plus n dy is equal to minus 1 by 20 is equal to double integral over r dou by dou x of n minus dou by dou y of m into dx dy. Hence, theorem is verified.